Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Fly and Cookie, and we've been seeing them kiss a lot. Fly's been looking around the cage a lot more, so we thought of making them a nest box. That's what today's video is about. If we get eggs that hatch, I promise that I will go outside and scream, "We got babies!" So we need to go to Home Depot and get parts. So we'll see you at the store. Hiya! Yes. Okay, kids. We're here at the store, and this is the wood that we need. Whoa. Oh, I got it. This is going to be 30 by 20 by 20. We have to go outside and cut these boards. Guys, if this video gets 50 likes, we will build a budgie cage. Like, bigger than the one we have in our house right now. And better. We have this wooden thingy, and my dad is a genius, so he did this. Guys, we are finished. This is how we're gonna spy on the budgies. We made like a little iPhone slot thingy. You see my face? Maybe. Well, it's good enough to see, and we used like a baby lock, and you also have to sand it for your budgie safe. Guys, we also have a little blue wall so that there's like no hole. It's to cover the hole when the phone is not inside. This is actually like the perfect size. I'll show you guys an iPhone 12 Pro Max by this whole size comparison. It's perfect. Guys, this is how the box turned out. We set it up. We had to cut the cage, but it's okay. We also put some floof inside. Should probably get that off. We haven't seen Fly inside yet. This is the day after we installed it. And like, we just put some like bedding for the eggs. And there's a heart. We put the heart right here. And the flower on the heart's here. And there's no other drawn areas except for the top, which turned out nice. Nice. Gotta catch him all. Pokemon. Gotta catch him all. Pokemon. Make sure to boop that subscribe button.